Good morning, children. Have you all opened page number 34 articles? All right. So, yesterday we had done gender and number. I hope that is clear to everybody. Exercises also clear, definition clear. Now, today we are going to start with articles. Mute your mics. For that, first of all, you should understand what are articles. You should understand what are articles. There are three words which are used as articles: a and the. We all know that because this you have been studying since class 1. So a and an are used in, they are called indefinite articles because they are used in front of those nouns which do not indicate anything specific. They indicate something in general. So they are used in they are indefinite articles and they are used in unspecific places. Okay, when they denote any unspecific noun, whereas the article the is used in place of specific items or nouns, and like proper noun, like things which are one in number or unique in number, like the earth. Earth is only one, so the is used. The universe, universe is one, the is used. In the names of, in front of the names of rivers, the is used. Okay, then holy places, holy books. So these are one in number and it indicates one specific noun. So article which is used in front of the nouns which indicate something specific, the is used, and a and an are used in front of indefinite nouns which do not indicate anything specific. Now we are going to read the definition which is given on page number 34 in the yellow box. You can see a and the are called articles. An article is placed before a noun to indicate whether the noun is specific or unspecific. Now, specific means something clear. You are talking about this man or this person or this holy book or this building specifically, importantly. So, the is used. And unspecific means you are talking in general. A boy, a book. So, boy can be any boy, then a book can be any book. Now, if we say the Bhagavad Gita, the Quran, so we are talking about specific book, holy book. So the is used. And if we are talking about only book, a book, it is unspecific. So a and the are called articles. An article is placed before a noun to indicate whether the noun is specific or unspecific. Put a tick mark on this definition. This you have to write in your fair copies. All right. Then next. Now we are going to study where a is used and where an and the are used. We are going to read some of the rules which are given. So indefinite articles, a and an, I told you, are indefinite articles because they are used in front or before any unspecific noun. Okay. So before singular countable nouns, a is used. Like I told you, a book. Okay. Then before words which begin with vowel but have a consonant sound. Now, a is used before those words which begin with vowel. Now, first of all, you should know what are vowels and what are consonants. Vowels are 5 words. What are vowels? A, E, I, O, U. These are 5 vowels. Now, rest of the alphabets are consonants. So a is used, yes, a is used before those vowels which pronounce consonants. Like Jack is a European. Okay, European, a European. He studies at a university. Okay, so when any specific word, unspecific word is there, we use a and an, and that too which starts with vowel but pronounce consonant. Similarly, we do opposite with an. We use an in front of those consonant words which pronounce vowel, like honest. He is an honest man. Why we are using an? Only because why? Even if honest spelling starts with H and H is a consonant, yes? What is the spelling of honest? Honest is the spelling, but still we use an honest man. Why? Because pronunciation honest o is coming and o is vowel, so we use an in front of those words which starts with vowel, sorry, consonant, but pronunciation is of vowel. Are you getting it? Now next, come to next page, page number 35. See, the first point number 3 is saying the same thing that I explained you right now. We use an before words that begin with a consonant but have a vowel sound. Example, she is an MLA. Now M is consonant, but when we are pronouncing it, we are getting a sound of vowel, so we are going to use here an. Before words that begin with silent H, honest boy and honor. Now here H is silent in honest. Okay, and then in honor also H is silent. When we pronounce, we don't pronounce honest and we don't pronounce honor. What we pronounce? Honest, honor. Okay, so where H is silent, we use and, right? Then when we talk something for the first time, do you like to have a drink? Yes, I would like to have a drink. So when you are talking about something for the first time, we use a. Okay. When we talk about something, so few rules which you should keep in your mind are that a and an are indefinite articles, means they are not definite. They, we talk in general. When we talk in general, we use a and an, and they are used in front of nouns which are unspecific. We don't we don't use them into some in before some proper noun or before something unique. We don't use we never say a universe, we never say a United States of America. No, we say the United States of America, the earth, the universe. So and the is used in front of before specific nouns. This is clear? A and the rules are clear? Okay. Okay. Now similarly, come under the heading definite art. Yes, yes, beta. The yellow box is given now, where two lines are given. I am repeating. A and the are called articles. An article is placed before a noun to indicate whether the noun is specific or unspecific. This you have to write. Okay, clear now? Yes. Now see what I was telling you about the use of the, it is given under definite article. Read page number 35 only under the heading definite article. What I was explaining you about the use of the. When we refer a noun that is of its one kind, we use the. Example, the moon. Moon is one. So we are going to use the moon. It is unique. One. The prime minister. Prime minister of a country is only one. There cannot be 10 prime ministers in a country. So the prime minister, the moon. The is used before specific nouns and they are, the is definite article. A and an are indefinite articles because they are not used before specific nouns. They are used before unspecific. The is used before specific. Is this clear? Okay. Now turn page. We are going to do one exercise in this. Now you have to do exercise A given on page number 37. We are going to discuss right now in the class. Fill in the blanks with A and the. Okay, A and the. We need dash engineer to fix the fault in the meter. Very good. An engineer. Very good. Right there, an engineer. Clear? Okay. He visited Dash White House. Now, which White House we are talking about? Yes, we are talking about, yes. Very good. We are talking about the White House which is present in America where President lives. So the White House, it is only one. It is specific. The White House in the United States of America. Okay. Yes. Then next, I got dash A plus for my project and I am very happy. An A plus. An A plus. Sir, dash gentleman you are waiting for is in the hall. The gentleman. Now why we are using the here? Why not a? Why? Why we are using the here and why not a? Why we are not saying sir a gentleman you are waiting for? We because we are talking about that specific no because we are talking about that specific man, that one special person we are talking about, that's why we are using the. Okay, so sir, the gentleman you are waiting for is in the hall. He is making a phone call. Yes. Or a phone call. The next, this is dash man Rahul was talking about. The man. Again, the why? Because we are talking about the specific man. The man. Yes. All her life she wanted to be dash air hostess. An air hostess, but now she is dash nurse. A nurse. Don't forget to post dash letter I gave you. The letter. Don't forget to post. No, don't forget to post the letter. Here the letter is specific. We are talking about one letter that the person has written. So don't forget to post the letter. Okay. Dash Earth has 7 continents. Earth is only one, so the Earth. Rani went to China and saw Great Wall of China. The Great Wall. The Great Wall. I have got idea that I would like to share with you. An idea. An idea. Very intelligent children you all are. Yes. Now mute your mics. Whosoever is a problem, that only that child will on your mic. Rest of you mute. Yes. The letter. The letter. We are talking about one specific letter that person has written. So the letter I gave. Yes, Divya now. Yes, Manvi, what problem you are having? One by one. What ask your problems one by one. Yes. Yes, I am going to about, I was about to give you this instruction. Exercise A, you have to do in your copy. How you are going to do? First, on a fresh page, you are going to write the chapter name, articles. Then, under that, you are going to write the definition first. After writing definition, you are going to do this exercise in your copies. Okay, sentences you can copy with blue and answers you can write with black. It's your wish. Or if you want to copy sentence with black and write answer with blue, that is also your wish. Okay, so you have to do this exercise which we have discussed today in your fair copies. Any other problem? Yes, ask. Point number 5 is this is the man Rahul was talking about. Any other query? One by one, children, not together, one by one. Answer number six. I will give you the PDF. Sixth answer is all her life she wanted to be an air hostess, but now she is a nurse. Okay. So I'm going to give you PDF right now. You do this exercise in your fair copies. All right.